Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video with a 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK Sahara Unlimited. We put a 3.5-inch lift, some 20x10 wheels with a negative 24mm offset, and some 35x1250 R20 mud terrain tires. The answer is yes, it absolutely will fit, no problem, no doubt about it. I know you're looking at it and you're saying, Michael, it's got an aftermarket front bumper. Of course it will fit. Yes, this stubby Stinger bumper will fit no problem. If you had your factory bumper, it would protrude out a little bit. The only thing that you would need to do is trim your front splash guard. You could either do that with a knife and or like a small reciprocating saw. Really, a knife will cut it no problem. Also in the rear, you clear perfectly fine, the rear of the inner fender. On the actual rear of the Jeep, no problems whatsoever. You've got at least 3 inches of clearance before anything even remotely touches. So technically on the rear, you could fit a 37 if you wanted to. But 35s, 20x10s, negative 24mm offset, it clears no problem. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.